So you wanted to meet me about something? How's your day been so far? How's home been?
My dad been crying all night.
What does he do?
I don't know what's happening. All of a sudden, he just started crying. He comes in my bedroom at night and
What does he do? Are you okay?
I don't want to talk about it.
Are you sure?
Yes. I just don't want to.
Okay.
She just messed it up. I'm going home.
Class.
Shut up!